Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Netflix and you will click here. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe.